Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Suman Balanghoy. First, gather your ingredients for this delightful treat. You will need approximately 1 kilogram of fresh cassava, about 1 cup of rich brown sugar, and 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Remember to also prepare fresh banana leaves for wrapping. Gently wilt them over a low flame or hot water to make them soft and easy to fold, ensuring a perfect presentation for your suman. Preparing the cassava correctly is crucial for an excellent suman. Start by meticulously peeling the thick, fibrous skin from all the cassava roots, ensuring no brown spots remain. Next, grate the peeled cassava finely. A food processor works efficiently here. Afterwards, gather the grated cassava into a cheesecloth or a clean towel and firmly squeeze out as much starchy liquid as possible. This step prevents your suman from becoming overly gummy and ensures a delightful, firm texture. Now it is time to combine your main ingredients. In a large bowl, mix the squeezed grated cassava with the 1 cup of brown sugar and the 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Use your hands to thoroughly combine everything, ensuring the sugar is evenly distributed throughout the cassava mixture. Then, take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this mixture and shape it into a small, compact log on one of your prepared banana leaves, ready for wrapping. Once shaped, carefully fold the banana leaf around your cassava mixture, sealing both ends securely to form a neat package. Arrange these wrapped suman pieces in a steamer basket, ensuring there is enough space between each one for even cooking. Steam the Suman Balanghoy over rapidly boiling water for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. They are perfectly cooked when they feel firm to the touch and the cassava appears translucent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.